Hello, welcome again. We are solving General Study Paper 2 of year 2022 of Civil Service 3, which is also called CSET. So directions after question number 70 are direction for following three items. Read the following two passages and answer the items that follow the passages. Your answer to these items should be based on passages only. Passage 1. To encourage research is one of the functions of a university. Contemporary universities have encouraged research not only in those cases where research is necessary but on all sorts of entirely unprofitable subjects as well. Scientific research is probably never completely valueless. However silly and insignificant it may seem, however mechanical and unintelligent the labor of the researchers, there is always a chance that results may be of value to investigators of talent who can use the facts collected for him by uninspired but industrious researchers as the basis of some fruitful generalization. But where research is not original but consists in the mere rearrangement of existing material, where its object is not scientific but literary or historical, then there is a risk of the whole business becoming merely futile. So question number 71 based on it is the author's assumption about scientific research is option A it is never very valuable. Option B it is sometimes very valuable. Option C it is never without some value. Option D it is always very valuable. So it is never without any value. So that is given in the passage. Uh, it is however silly and insignificant may it seem. So scientific research is probably never completely valueless. So that is given in the passage. So option is it is never without some value. So answer is option C. So it is never without some value. Answer is option C. So question number 72 is also based on this. Question number 72 is according to other option A, not many research results can be of value to an intelligent investigator. Option B, a research result is always valuable to an intelligent investigator. Option C, any research result can be of value to an intelligent investigator. Option D, a research result must always be of some value to an intelligent uh, investigator. So answer is any research result can be of value to an intelligent investigator. So here it is also given. However silly insignificant may be, scientific research is probably never completely valueless. However silly and insignificant may seem, however mechanical and intelligent labors of the researcher, there is always a chance that the result may be of value to investigators of talent who can use the facts collected for him by uninspired and but industrious researchers as a basis of some fruitful journalism. So answer is option C. Any research result can be of value to an intelligent investigator. So here particular good result is mentioned. So that's why this is not the answer. And not many researchers can be of value. So that is also not the answer. Researchers must, if any researcher may be good, may be bad, is of value for an intelligent investigator. So answer is option C. Any research result can be of value to an intelligent investigator.